Number 4, solve each equation. So I see 25 minus 3x equals 40. I don't see any parentheses, so I need to just treat each thing as an individual quantity. So I'm going to first draw my line through the equal sign. Okay, this is a positive 25. There's nothing in front of it. This is like adding a negative 3x. Okay, you always keep the sign in front of the number. So this is a positive 25. I need to get rid of 25 on both sides. Minus 25, minus 25. Bring this down. All that's left is subtracting a 3x, or a negative 3x, is equal to 15. So now I've got negative 3x is equal to 15. Well, I know if I have a positive divided by a negative, my answer has to be negative. So divide by a negative 3, divide by a negative 3. Just going to put an arrow over here. X equals 15 divided by a negative 3 is negative 5. To make sure this is correct, I can plug it back in my equation. So if I do that, 25 minus 3 times a negative 5 equals 40. 25, negative 3 times negative 5, you could also just put this whole thing in your calculator. It's going to be plus 15 equals 40. 40 equals 40. If you don't get 40, then you did it wrong. Okay? Part B, 1/3 times x minus 10 equals negative 4. That's like saying 1/3 of this group equals negative 4. All right, well, I have to get rid of the number outside the parentheses first. They are touching, which means multiplication, so I see multiplication. I do the opposite. So I'm going to divide both sides by 1/3. All right, when I do that, I get x minus 10 is equal to, use my calculator, negative 4 divided by, negative 4 divided by 0.33333. Okay, you get negative 12. So now I have x minus 10 equals negative 12, add 10, draw a little arrow, oops. X equals a negative 2. Again, can check my answer by plugging that in. 1/3 x minus 10 equals negative 4. X is now negative 2. 1/3 times negative 2 minus 10. 1/3 times a negative 12. Yep, it is negative 4. Let me know if you have any questions.